Before you see the test, I want to mention that this outboard is one of the first 15 horsepower Evinrude models and is manufactured in 1974. This is a saltwater model 15404 with corrosion resistance case. It is mainly distinguished from the later models by having a point ignition and a slightly different cooling system. Some people are definitely looking for this exact model because of the easy and less expensive for maintenance ignition system, trying to avoid the costly and much more difficult to diagnose and repair CDI ignition. As I already mentioned, the cooling system is different from the later models in that the water exits out only from the exhaust. In the later models, the water outlet from the head is also added, which often gets clogged and causes problems. The weight is 65 pounds, or compared to later models it is 7 pounds lighter. This outboard has very low working hours and have high compression. If you want to see and learn how to clean the carburetor and rebuild it as well as change the impeller on this motors, please follow the link at the upper right corner.